Hi guys, welcome back. In this lesson, we will be testing our Apache Spark installation. So we want to see if Apache Spark is able to pick up our R compiler. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to open up our CMD. Okay, and now we will run the R compiler for Spark. So we say Spark R. Okay, so our Spark R is working, right? So now let's just write some code just to test and see if we can run anything. So let's just print something. Okay, and let's create a list. Okay, so we can create our list and let's apply an operation. Say our list multiplied by 10 will give us 10, 20, and 30. Okay, so now we have verified that our Spark R is working and our Apache Spark installation is working as well. So we can just quit that. We can just ignore these. These are some Hadoop backend errors that have nothing to do with it, with what we are doing. So we'll just ignore that. Okay, and now we can close our command line prompt. So we have verified that Apache Spark is working, and we have verified that our Apache Spark R compiler is working as well. So now we are ready to start writing some code. So thanks a lot for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video.